inside. I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Where you at? In between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm into deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the first day of summer, or at least for us it is. Luke got out of school on Friday, and then we had the weekend and just hung out, and now it's Monday. Things are kind of going back to normal. Kyle's at work, so I figured I would just go ahead and take the boys to a splash park because it's like 90 degrees outside. It's super hot. I mean, hot for us at least. And so we are headed out to a splash park to just kind of stay cool and have some summer fun. So I figured it would be a fun day to kind of take you guys along with us. So I hope you guys enjoy coming along with us today.
I lose my perspective, oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now?
So we just got here and Noah is already passed out. It's like super hot. So he's gonna hang out with me while the other kids play in the splash park unless he decides to wake up. He is so passed out right now. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we gotta get some sunscreen on. Where do Luke and Riker go? Oh, I see him.
What?
And we just found out about the splash pad like not very long ago, so we've already been here like 3 or 4 times in the last like 2 weeks. It's been so much fun. Wake up from your super quick nap. Yeah. So handsome. There's Luke in there.
Do this! That's so cool. That bucket just went. Wait for it. Oh, he's not doing it right now. But he used to. And that just went boom all over me and Riker. Yeah. And Liam.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness, they're crazy. No, they're crazy, huh? Yeah. They're wild boys. Are you deciding what snack you want? You got hungry? What is that? Orange? Oh, an apple? You love apples, huh? No, you want to come sit with me? Yeah, you want to come sit with me? Well, we're just going to hang out here for a little bit because he woke up and is not ready to go in the water yet, I guess. But the big kids are... You see the bird? Yeah. But the big kids are just having a blast in the water. It's pretty warm today. It's not crazy hot. It's 90, but it doesn't feel that hot. But I think that's just because it's drier here. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit. They're heading to the park. Now you want to go to the park?
Not that.
You want to go to the park? You can go over there and play with Luke and Liam. Liam. Yeah. You're coming back for shoes.
I need shoes. It's burning hot.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
He has just been like munching on this stuff ever since we got here. Just chowing, huh? Yeah. Are you hungry? Yeah. You can go play? And off he goes.
What? The only way without touching the ground. We're playing the ground with lava.
Can you climb to the top, Luke?
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah? Let me show him. Yeah. And me. I'll show you.
Jeez, be careful.
I will. I'm a little bit scared. No, I'm not. 0 hands. Oh my gosh!
Are you gonna slide down? Do you need me to grab you? Or you got it?
What?
Are you gonna fall?
Hold on when you need a friend. I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend. I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head. We'll take it step by step. Fell inside. Now I'm living in a matchbox. All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
So we've migrated over to the park and it's so much fun here. On Saturdays they actually have like food trucks line up like across the edge over there and it's super fun. I think we came here maybe twice actually because Kyle actually has Saturdays off, which is like very different for us because usually he always works weekends, but we came here and it was just so much fun. So this is definitely like somewhere we're gonna be a lot this summer. We love this place. Get you to the green grass?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, are you safe?
Yeah.
All this time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your head.
Are you guys staying out of the shade or in the shade?
Yeah, we're staying in the shade. We don't like this one. And we're also really cool from the splash pad.
Oh my gosh, you're kind of crazy.
Yeah.
And then I think we're just gonna head home and probably spend a little bit of time in there. We might do like sprinklers. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but it is hot today, you guys. it was like baking us. We were there like an hour and a half and it was so hot.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Okay, so we got home a little bit ago and I'm so tired from being out. We were just like at the park for so long and it was just like super hot. And then Noah was super tired, so we came in here to just lay down. And of course, as you can see, he left. He did not want to take a nap because he got like that super quick little cat nap and that was like plenty for him, I guess. But now it's like a few minutes to 5 and I need to go into the kitchen and start cooking dinner. So I'll probably take you guys along with me and I might actually try and film the recipe for you guys because it seems like one that you guys might enjoy seeing. So I'll probably take you guys with me and then, I don't know, probably just kind of hang out for the rest of the night. Just kind of be like laid back. I'm back in the kitchen. I drug myself off the bed and I'm going to be making like, I don't really have a recipe for it actually, so I'm just gonna film it in case it turns out and we'll see how it goes. But I wanted something like kind of Greek inspired, I guess, and so I thought making like something kind of cool for tonight because it's so hot would be good. What, buddy?
What? I
What?
love these lollipop.
You love them?
Yeah, can we have wash and make out?
Maybe. I think he might be coming. We'll have to see.
And then
Where's Luke and Noah?
wash and make with none here.
Okay.
Then I want both. Ice cream and I will fill that.
Yeah. Okay. But I don't know. So I just got some cucumbers and little tomatoes, and I have some feta cheese, and I don't know, like some olives. I just think I'm gonna like try and make like a fun sauce, like not sauce, like dressing for it. And I just figured that would probably be good. So if it turns out, then I will probably be filming it tonight, and then hopefully I'll share it for you guys. If it doesn't turn out, then I'll be filming for nothing. But sometimes that just has to happen. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with dinner because it's like 5:01. So this is the setup to how I do my cooking videos, is I will get all of the products, they're like all of the ingredients out and set them on the counter, and then I actually move everything off of this little area, and then I set up my tripod and take my pictures to give you guys like the ingredients. So yeah, that is how it all starts. Time to get to work. Well, you know, minus the little monster trucks. Okay, so I just finished dinner and it actually tasted it and it turned out really good. It's like this like Greek pasta salad thing. Super good. So I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys soon, hopefully. But this is, here, I'm gonna turn you guys around. So this is what I made. It's super, super yummy. It's like a Greek pasta salad, and I thought it would just be perfect on like a really like hot day like today. But it's definitely going to be something I probably make quite a bit during the summer because it was really yummy when I just tasted it. But this is like the aftermath of a cook with me. It is like so messy because usually I just like clean as I go when I cook, but totally didn't happen when I'm doing my cook with me's. So that's what it looks like without the feta cheese. So if you
walk right back on.
all right, sounds good. And then when you come back, dinner will be ready, okay? All right. But yeah, this is what it looks like before I put like the feta cheese on, which is totally optional. But if you don't do dairy or like you're vegan or vegetarian, this would definitely be perfect because it's obviously meatless. And if you don't put the cheese in, then it's vegan. So yeah. But anyway, I have to go ahead and just clean this up and then I guess we'll eat. So it's almost 6 o'clock now. It usually doesn't take me so long, but like I had to stop and go because mom life and the kids needed me. So right there. But
I need
anyway.
her. I do.
Yeah.
Every day.
One of 3. Okay, sorry, I had to help them with the door, but Anyway, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we're just gonna go ahead and eat and just kind of having like a nice relaxing rest of the night. Kyle is not gonna get home until later, so it's just me and the boys tonight. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today and coming to the splash pad with us. And do not forget to subscribe down below if you are not already, and also follow me over on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.